This video shows you how to disassemble an LCD bezel. Get the appropriate tools before you start. Step 1. Disassemble from both sides of the bezel. Use fingertips with nails to find a gap to separate the panel and bezel. Please repeat the above actions. Also pull the bezel up. Step 2. Disassemble the top side of the bezel. Please use the same way to separate the panel and bezel. Step 3. Pry the gap of both bottom sides of the bezel. Please use plastic blade to pry the gap of the bottom side of the bezel. Please use the same way to separate the panel and bezel. Step 4. Disassemble the bottom of the bezel in the yellow mark. Please peel the bezel with one hand and press down the bezel adhesive, mylar with the other hand with a plastic blade to separate. Please repeat these actions until the bezel separates from the screen. Thanks for watching.